Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be an after dark clean with me. It is around 8 p.m. and my daughter had just gone down for bed, so I went ahead and started to clean up this complete mess that my house is right now. I'm not sure why I let it get this bad. I was super tired this day and very unmotivated, as you can tell. My house usually does not look like this at the end of the night, at least not this bad. Don't get me wrong, it is super messy most nights, but not this bad. I have a little toddler who just completely destroys my house. But before we get started on cleaning, I'm going to go ahead and make myself a nighttime chai tea latte. I needed a little bit of a pick-me-up. I was not motivated to clean at all, but there was no way I was going to bed with my house being this messy.
It's easy to speak out about the way I live, but it's a 24-karat dream. No supermodel in my dirty jeans, but in my 24 inches heels. I'm not pretending I'm more like this again.
So I'm going to start off by cleaning up the living room. I'm just picking up all of the toys. I'm going to put the couch back together and then go ahead and vacuum in here. But I had a few comments on my last two videos about the chai tea lattes that I drink, and they are just a K-cup. There's two different kinds of brands that I really like from Walmart, and then the one brand you can get pretty much at any food store. I see it everywhere. I think it's called the Escapes, like that's the brand name, and the other brand name that I like is just like the Great Value from Walmart. It is so good. All I do is put some vanilla creamer in it, and that is literally it. It is super sweet, so if you're not like a sweet person, I definitely would not recommend it, but it does what it needs to do for me.
24-hour streak. Wasting all your thoughts just to criticize, but there are plenty more ways to think. I'm not pretending I'm more like this, a game for the reckless. It's so extreme and I don't really care. I don't really care, yeah. No, I don't really care. I don't really care, yeah. They're calling me a mad woman, mad woman, mad woman. Calling me a mad woman, mad woman. No, I don't really care. I don't really care, yeah. 'Cause boy, it's none of your business if I'm a mad woman.
Let me know down below if you guys like after dark clean with me's. I've said this in a few of my videos, I prefer cleaning in the morning and like during the day rather than at nighttime. As soon as I put my toddler down, I literally want to go run and get into my bed and call it a night. Also, I don't think, at least in my house, the lighting is not that great, so I feel like the lighting quality is not as good, but let me know down below if you guys enjoy after dark clean with me's.
Mad woman, sorry I don't compromise. Mad woman, mad woman. Keep calling me a mad woman. Boy, it's none of your business if I'm a mad woman.
So next we're moving into the playroom. This is the first time ever I am showing me cleaning this on camera. If you're new to my channel, I just redid this room. Basically, this was our old dining room and our living room used to be the play area, but I went ahead and made this the playroom, and I will have a video coming out really soon. I'm just waiting on a few more things for this room, like a table and some more wall decor, before I go ahead and show you like the reveal and everything that I got and where I got it from and all that stuff. But I will be having a playroom video come out really soon, and I'm super excited to tell you guys where I got like a bunch of things. I'm really excited to get her table and the wall art that I'm going to hang on the wall where I am right now.
You got me begging, pretty please. I'm so hung up on you. I couldn't tell you what it feels like.
If you are a mom and you have a little toddler, let me know down below if they are in the stage of just getting every single thing out of everything. I mean, you guys see this playroom right now. This is not from her playing. This is from her walking up to this little cubby unit and literally ripping every single thing out of here.
When to stop, tell me when to stop, babe. Just keep on dancing like we're night bound. Numbers on the clock, I'll be ready when we go down. We spend the night on bubble bliss, forever lasting. I know you never would admit it, but I can see through you. Where do you go when your glass ends up empty? Oh, I wanna know, won't you let me know? Where do you hide when you leave me here wasted? Oh, I wanna know. We're only lovers when we count down. Tell me when to stop. Tell me when to stop, babe. Just keep on dancing like we're night bound. Lovers on the clock. I'll be ready when we go down.
I'm always obsessed with putting Evelyn's little kitchen back together every single night. Even if I don't clean the playroom, I will put her little kitchen back together, like all of the food and all of the pots and pans and everything. I don't know why I do that, but I honestly feel like when she has a clean playroom in the morning, it makes her want to go ahead and play in there. Rather than it being messy, like she won't go in there for a while until I start picking things up. That's just how she is, even though she loves to tear everything down. As soon as she tears it down, she looks at me like, come on, Mom, let's clean this up. Next, we're moving over here. I'm going to go ahead and finish folding this laundry. I had started before Evelyn went down, and then I went ahead and put her to bed. So now we're going to go ahead and finish it and then vacuum.
Do you know what love means? This is insane. You're saying things I can't explain.
Also, if you're familiar with my channel, you're probably wondering that my vacuum is working. It is. I watch good old YouTube. You can literally watch that for anything. You can type in anything and I swear there is a YouTube video on it. But I typed in this type of vacuum breaking. It was not sucking anymore, so it recommended me pulling the hose apart and really getting everything out of there. And it worked really well. There was all kinds of, we have 2 German Shepherds, and there was all kinds of their hair and like crumbs and stuff shoved into the hose. So as soon as I went ahead and cleared that out, the vacuum started sucking again. So I'm kind of wondering if that was the problem with my old vacuum and maybe I could have just easily fixed it instead of buying a whole new one. I'm really glad I went ahead and looked that up.
I'm taking my toothbrush. How does that feel? Tell me how this can't be real. You're talking in riddles. Just let it go. And trust me if you love me so. It just isn't worth my time to try to make you believe me when you don't believe me.
This is one of the spots in my house that I absolutely love when it is clean. Something about having a clean, uncluttered kitchen table just makes my heart happy. I know that is so weird. I would honestly almost rather have like my living room be destroyed than have my table be cluttered and 1,000 things on it. And I swear sometimes when we go down to sit down for dinner, we literally have to take stuff off the table or move it to a different end, and that just drives me absolutely insane.
You're more to me than just a friend. I'm telling you, I'm not doing this again. I'll let you win.
I also have been considering taking Evelyn out of her high chair and putting her at the table with us. The only thing is our table is super high. Even though our chairs are high, I just need to find a good seat for her to sit there, like a booster seat or something to sit at the table, because I'm honestly over cleaning the high chair. She's at the point now where when she's done, she likes to stand up and try to get out, so her little fingers and everything gets all over the high chair, and I feel like it would just be easier to wipe up the table rather than having to clean the entire high chair, the tray, and the other tray, and like wipe it down every single day. I don't know. Let me know down below when you guys moved your little ones from a high chair to the kitchen table.
Shooting me with words, but I won't let them bruise. Even though it hurts, I won't show it to you. 'Cause it will ricochet, I won't let it bite. I will look at you and tell you that I'm alright. Like a ricochet, it will come back to you. Let me tell you, no, because my eyes.
So I am just using the Mrs. Meyer's cleaner to go ahead and wipe down all of my countertops in my kitchen. I just got the rose scent and I absolutely love it. I got the rose scent in the cleaner, the dish soap, the hand soap, and like the room spray, and it all smells so good.
Right. No, because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away like a ricochet, like a ricochet, like a ricochet, like a ricochet.
So I went ahead and did a time lapse for the dishes because I had a ton of them. And I know I've been asking you guys to comment down below a lot during this video, but I just have so many like thoughts I want you guys to answer and comment on. But let me know down below if you guys like seeing dishes in videos or if you don't like seeing dishes in videos. Like, does it motivate you? Does it bore you? Does it make you want to click out? Let me know down below.
I used to let it in, all the things you said. You try to turn me into somebody else, but it will ricochet. I won't let it bite. I will look at you and tell you that I'm alright. Like a ricochet, it will come back to you. Let me tell you, no, because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away. And even if you're trying to hurry, my skin's getting thicker each day. Don't know how you fall.
I have been thinking a lot about doing a backsplash here in the kitchen because as you can see that we just have like the walls. And I'm thinking I want to do some kind of white black backsplash, but I'm not sure. I'm like still kind of deciding because you can see where our cabinet ends right there. I don't know if it'll look weird or not. I don't know. That is something that I've definitely been thinking about. But that is going to go ahead and be it for this video, this After Dark Clean With Me. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you are not already, and I will see you all in my next video. I hope you guys are all doing really well. Bye!